know the pain, but I'm holding out. It might take a lot of time, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm holding out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for tuning in. So today we're going to be making a flower wall or a leaf wall using items from a Dollar Tree, and these are the items you're going to need. So this will not be a talk through. I'll chime in and out, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, those ribbons that I showed, I never used those. I ended up using fabric. So enjoy the video. Okay guys, so this is where I decided I was going to be using the fabric instead of that ribbon, because after gluing some of those leaves on the ribbon, it started looking crazy basically. So I decided to use a fabric. I had this fabric laying around the house, and it was, I think it was a yard of fabric, but I cut it in half. And this fabric I paid probably like, I think it was like $1.88 a yard. So it's your choice if you guys want to just grab the fabric from Walmart, which is just $1. So here I'm just placing the flowers in just different places, and that's just it. Keep watching. Okay guys, so here I was showing you where I cut the fabric in half, and basically this is where my flower wall is going to be for like pictures and other little neat things as when I'm doing my try on hauls. But I did cut it like I said, and on those edges I know it looks rough, but I'm going to go on the outer part with the flower as you see at the very top, and basically cover those areas so you guys won't be able to see where I cut the fabric or where the fabric begins or where it ends. So enjoy. much what it looks like now after putting on about 100 100 leaves. Psych, I didn't count them, but this is what it looks like. I have some extra leaves, and I'm just gonna go into the areas where you could like see the black fabric, and at the very top of that fabric where you can probably see that tack, those two tacks, 1 2 3, I don't know how many, but I'm just gonna basically cover those and just fill in those little areas where you can still see the fabric a little bit, and also add the flowers. Yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Yeah, do not come for my daisies because I know they all over the place, but I think I'm gonna get another bouquet of them and just add in those empty areas. So this is pretty much it. It took me pretty much all day because I was like on and off, stop, start, stop, start, but this is it. Yeah, enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's very simple and very inexpensive. This was literally under like $10. Like, no, it wasn't. You're lying, Kimmy. But y'all know it's cheap, under $20. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you are new here, welcome to Kimmy's World, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.